Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets with the Kitchenaid Classic Euro Peeler. If you're looking for the best vegetable peeler on the market, this might just be it. Let's get into the details. The Kitchenaid Classic Euro Peeler is designed to make your peeling tasks a breeze. It features a double-edged serrated blade made from tough, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel. This means it can handle everything from soft-skinned fruits to tough root vegetables with ease. One of the standout features is its ergonomic handle. Balanced for comfort and precision, the handle is designed for smooth operation during use. It's crafted with a glossy ABS material and includes a satin chrome-plated bolster and end cap, giving it both durability and a sleek look in your kitchen.
Worried about safety? Don't be. The Kitchenaid Euro Peeler comes with a protective plastic blade cover. This not only keeps the blade sharp when not in use but also ensures safe handling and storage.
Cleanup is a breeze with this peeler.
It's dishwasher safe, so you can toss it in with your other utensils without any hassle. That means more time enjoying your meal and less time at the sink.
And here's the cherry on top.
It comes with a lifetime limited warranty and a 1-year hassle-free replacement guarantee. Kitchenaid stands by their products, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase.
In conclusion, the Kitchenaid Classic Euro Peeler is a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. With its sharp, durable blade, comfortable ergonomic handle, and easy maintenance, it's clear why this peeler is a favorite among home cooks and professionals alike. That wraps up our review of the Kitchenaid Classic Euro Peeler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried this peeler or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy cooking!